FAFO Friday.
Look at this mess, Mike.
FAFO Friday. This is just after 8 on Friday morning.
Yeah. This week.
What do you have for Friday? FAFO Friday, right?
Clean up as you go, because if you don't, your box looks like this. And then,
You look tired, kid.
yeah, I am
For
tired.
Friday morning.
It is
This-
Friday.
it's-
And I've had a coffee.
Wow.
Yeah, so clean up as you go, because if you don't, then everything's a mess and it's way harder to keep track of everything. And yeah, it makes your life easier. Because right now I'm sitting here on a Friday morning trying to do a waiter VIP, and I've got tools quite literally everywhere. So yeah, clean up as you go.
Good
Yeah.
boy. Ahmad,
Yep.
FAFO Friday. What did we learn?
I learned how to do tires on this machine.
Ooh.
The new machine. Yeah.
It's not so new. It's a couple years old, but it's new to you.
Yeah, it's new to me. So I
The
learned how to,
touchless tire machine.
yeah, I learned how to do the tire on this machine.
Well, that's important.
Yep.
And how easy was it?
It was actually not that easy, but I tried to figure it out. There's a lot of buttons and stuff in here.
There's a lot of buttons. And you know what? This is perfect for FAFO
Yeah,
because
you can go up and down.
you're gonna
with
find
this.
out. You're gonna find out.
Yep.
Yeah. So you're not scared of it anymore?
No.
That's good.
Yeah, I'm confident now.
Awesome. Have a happy Friday.
Thank you so much.
FAFO Friday with Dylan, dirty faced boy,
Yeah.
Mowgli. You know who Mowgli is?
No.
Mowgli's from the Jungle Book, man. The kid that was raised by wolves and ended up.
that one.
Yeah, come on, Disney.
Oh yeah, I know.
Anyway,
Okay.
what'd you learn? What'd you learn this week, kid?
I learned when a rotor screw is stuck, you
Yeah.
get a punch.
Punch it.
Yeah, you hit it with the hammer, punch it, it gets it out.
Oh yeah,
So,
you didn't know that.
no.
It's
one way to
exciting.
get it out, yeah.
It's one way to FAFO.
Yeah.
Good boy. James, FAFO Friday while we're on break,
Oh yeah,
having a smoke. What are
For
we
sure.
smoking? What are they?
it's tobacco. It's nothing funny.
No, it's
Yeah.
not Marlboros or
Oh,
Benson and Hedges, isn't it?
no, it's the Belmont. You like the smell.
That's
of. So
right. Yeah,
sometimes
reminds
it's
me
not,
reminds me of my uncle. Yeah,
Brings you back.
it does. So I'm sitting here with you outside.
Yeah.
And you want to talk some about length matters or size matters? Or
Sometimes it makes a difference. I'm working on the Honda Civic.
how tall are you again?
6'4", 6'5".
Nice.
Sometimes you need a big extension to get in. We're doing a starter on a Honda Civic.
Yeah.
Very kind of tucked away up. You need a long extension.
Long
swivel.
length matters. Get that
It's
length
the
in
only way
there.
you'll get it out.
Yeah, it hits the spot.
Yeah, exactly.
Nice.
What
And
you
do
gotta
you
do.
have that length?
Oh, for sure.
Right on, buddy. That's
For
all we
sure.
need to know. FAFO. FAFO Friday, Greg. What'd we learn this week?
Well, we just had a young lady in here turning 60 today, so we gave her a birthday card to help cheer her up.
What? And what? Who signed it?
Well, everybody, of course.
The entire team.
Yes, complete with greasy fingerprints and everything.
But wow, that's something.
It is.
She's more than a number.
She is.
She's
All
actually-
our customers are.
Exactly. She's part of the family.
She is.
So she came in, said, "I'm bringing my car in on my birthday this morning during our meeting." We suggested a Magic Mike moment. I said to the boys to start disrobing, and she said, "No, thank you." But would that happen at any of the other establishments that you worked at? How long have you been in the trade?
Oh, over 40 years.
And never happened anywhere?
No.
Urban Auto, safety first. And my portion of FAFO Friday is I can plan to post a video first thing in the morning, but if my chief operating officer is not in the building, things don't go so smooth. And here I am at the end of the day, and as you hear and see, I'm all alone. So that's why it's getting posted so late. Sorry. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend and, well, what was your Friday? I guess maybe your Friday night. Urban Auto, safety first. Thanks for watching.